Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing okay. And I know a lot of you may be upset when you found out that your Google Play Music is no longer available. For me, this is quite sad because I always use this app in playing my favorite music. But don't you worry, there's a simple fix in getting back the old app. First thing you need to do is simply uninstall the Google Play Music on your Android device and then open a browser and then go to this website up2down.com. All right, and then you need to search for Google Play Music there. All right, and then search for the older versions, and when you scroll down you're gonna see a bunch of lists. What works for my device is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th in the list, 8.21.8170-1. So go ahead and click that one and click download. All right, so you need to open and install the new APK. Okay, once it's done, click done and then go back to the app. Okay, go to your music library and there you have it. I got all my favorite songs by my favorite artist. Unfortunately, I cannot play any music as of now because I don't want to be hit with copyright. Okay, but this is the one thing you need to remember. After installing the old APK, go back to the Google Play App Store and then make sure that the enable auto update is not selected so that in the future you're not gonna get the updated version which is not working. Alright, so I hope this would help you guys out there. Thank you for watching.